Hey you guys, so today's video is going to be a Too Faced one brand tutorial. We will be using all of the products that I have here laid out that is from the Too Faced brand, and we're going to create an entire look using them. I got a lot of requests to do this because I got a lot of requests to use the palette that is behind me, and so I figured that instead of just using that palette, we would use everything. I wasn't trying to put off playing around with that palette that you guys have been wanting me to play with. It was just that I wanted to do a one brand tutorial, and I was waiting for a couple of things to come in, and now that they have arrived, we can play and get started. So that is what we're going to do today. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Steph, and make sure to hit that subscribe button before you guys head out. And thank you all so much for tuning in to today's video. If you guys are already subscribed, you guys know the drill. I upload on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays at 6 p.m. Just make sure to hit that notification bell. That way, anytime an upload does go up, you guys are notified. So let's get into this. So for primer, I'm going to go in with two primers. You don't have to use two, but I like both of these and they work very well for my skin for both reasons. I have the Too Faced Primed and Peachy, and this is a cooling matte skin primer. If you guys don't know, I do have oily combo skin. And then I have the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primers. Primed and Peachy I will be using on my T-zone, and then the regular Hangover primer will be an all over face primer. Moving into foundation, I do have two foundations. I have the Peach Perfect Foundation, which is a mattifying foundation, and then I have the Born This Way foundation. Both of them are really good. I love them both. I love this one, especially in the summer. I haven't really dove into it since the summer just because my skin hasn't been acting up. I just got this one in, so I think I want to do this one. The shade that I have is in Natural Beige for this one currently.
This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you.
So now that we have the foundation on, I'm going to go ahead and go in with a little bit of concealer. Today I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealers. These are amazing. I am going to go in with a mixture of two shades. I have light beige and natural beige. See, I don't like to highlight on my forehead. Personally, just find it to accentuate any sort of fine lines that I have on my forehead, so I don't highlight there, and I don't highlight my chin just because I do find that that's normally a problematic area. So if I do highlight, I will just highlight with whatever's left over on my sponge. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and set everything. I just got the Too Faced Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder, and I just got this one, so I'm super excited because I've actually never tried it before. Oh wow, that's beautiful. That actually brightens. I am also going to use the same powder to set the rest of my face. So I do have this body shimmer from the Too Faced and Erica collection. I'm wearing a t-shirt, so I'm not going to use it today, but okay, so for bronzer, I have two options. I was actually kind of surprised that I didn't have more Too Faced products in my blush and bronzer collection. I have the Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil, and I forgot to pick up the one when it was 50% off on the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty because I definitely need something lighter. I feel like this is gonna be way too dark for me. But then I have this from the Christmas collection, and it was part of their tree collection. But this one does have a little bit of a lighter shade. And I want to say that's either a blush or a bronzer. Yeah, it's a bronzer. I hope it is. But it is matte. And then I'm going to go in and use the Aesthetica P12. I've actually been using this to bronze up my skin, and I've been loving it. Like, it's tapered. It's not normally something I would use, but the other day I was using it when I was doing my everyday makeup, and I went in with this and I was like, this is fabulous. We're gonna move into the eyes. I have two palettes to choose from. This one that just came in the other day, which is the Erica one with Too Faced, and then I have this bad boy, which so many of you guys were wanting to see tutorials. So because of the amount of requests to use this, I think my plan is to try to use this as much as possible. So here is what this palette looks like. I mean, this is ridiculously gorgeous. I will agree with you guys. I'm kind of feeling some of this like glitter going on. I'd really like to use these two glitters, to be honest with you. We're going to start off with Oh That's Rich, and I'm going to be taking it on a smaller brush. We're going to put that in the crease. We're going to work dark to lighter, and I'm going to be using the M514 from Morphe. Sorry, I'm just going to hold this here. I was going to use tape, but tape will kind of take off some of that concealer, so just gonna use this sheet. Next color I'm gonna dive into is called Fancy That. And I'm gonna take a little bit of a bigger brush to use to blend out the edges. I will say that once you pop this color onto the lid, it comes out a lot more of a like deep chocolate brown than you get of like this maroon shadow that you see in the pan. The color is definitely a little bit different. I am going to go in with a fluffy brush and just kind of blend out this edge right here. Okay, so we got both eyes done. I think I'm going to cut the crease, not all the way. I'm just going to cut it halfway, and then I'm going to apply the princess cut on the lid, but then I'm going to take a little bit of this pressed glitter and put it on top. I'm not going to take a lot of it, just a little bit. I'm gonna take Fancy That, and I'm gonna put that right on the outer corner first. Just like that. So we've got that blended in first. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Princess Cut, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. So I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1. I was terrified there for a second. I thought I couldn't find my glitter glue. So, whew, hallelujah. I'm gonna take the glitter glue, pack it on first, just all over that lid. I'm gonna go in with Diamonds and Breakfast. Oh, how pretty. You could even just use your finger, honestly, which I might just do. Oh, I'm in love. Didn't I say I wasn't gonna apply a lot? Always. For the lower lash line, I'm going to be taking Kohl Under Pressure, and I'm going to be using a flat definer brush, and I'm going to pop it right up against my lash line. Now I'll go back in with Oh That's Rich, and we're going to use that to blend out the black. I'm going to go ahead and pop on some lashes, and I will be right back. Okay, so we have the lashes on. If you guys are wanting to know what lashes I used, I did use the Dollar Lash Club lashes in the style Robin. You guys know those are my favorite lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of mascara to bind them and kind of give them a little bit more vump. And then I'm also going to apply a little bit of mascara on my lower lash line, and I'm going to be using the Better Than Sex mascara. So now that I know what my eye look looks like, I'm going to go ahead and pick a blush. So I'm going to go back into this palette, and I'm going to be taking this Coral blush. I have a couple of highlights to choose from. I do have the Diamond Lights from Too Faced. So I have this yellow one, which is called Canary Diamond. And I love the packaging on this. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So this is what it looks like. It's got a little bit of like a holographic pink tint to it. So I'm a little bit nervous about that because I'm not really sure that I want to apply that to my cheeks. But let's see this one. This one is the pink one, and it's called Diamond Fire. And this is gorgeous. This is my, luckily it pops in like that. But so this is what it looks like. It's got, again, a little bit of a holographic blue to it. Not really feeling that right now, but oh, the other one I do have is the new Too Faced How Many Do I Give? And this is one of the products from her collection. And this is a high money, high impact highlighter. And then once you open it up, it's got the money sign on it. So the money sign's got like this gold to it. And then the outer portion is like a little bit of a bronze shade. So I'm thinking that you're supposed to be able to, so that's the money sign. That's actually really gorgeous. More bronzy highlight, which probably will not show up on my skin tone just looking at it. I'm definitely gonna have to go in with the highlight. But if I mix them both together, what do I get? This is, if I mix them both together, it's more intensified. That's impressive. Well, let's go ahead and set the face really quickly. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1, and I'm gonna be using a AOA Studio brush. This was from my Shop Miss A stash. I'm actually just gonna dip it all over the place, since that's what I found was really pretty on its own. Holy crap. That's impressive. So this is a really true intense gold highlight, FYI. Holy crap. So I'm gonna take my beauty sponge and I'm just going to press it into the skin a little bit. I'm sold on this. I am definitely sold on that highlighter for sure. So now that we have that done, let's finish off with the lips. For today's look, I have a few lip options from Too Faced, which I'm excited about. I do have the Too Faced Metallic Metals. This one here is a liquefied metallic matte liquid lipstick. Then I have one of my all-time favorites. This is the Melted Long Lasting Long Wear Lipstick. This is in Chihuahua. I have the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Lipstick, and this is in Melted Clover. Packaging is so cute. She also does have two other that she came out with her collection. She has the Defined Sexy Lip Kits. The other product to her collection, which is the one thing I did want to pick up, was the Painkiller Pink, and this is one of their lip injections. I really like their lip injections. I saw this one in her collection and I was like, I want this. I'm not gonna use it today just because I think the lady that did my lips told me not to put on a plumping gloss right now, like to wait a little bit. So just to be safe, I'm not going to. Plus I feel like my lips are big enough. I think I might go in with DSL, the lip liner, which is this fuchsia color. And I might try to mix it with Melted Clover. So that wraps everything up. This is the entire look. Almost everything, no, not almost, yeah, everything except the brows and the lashes were all Too Faced. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you guys clicked that subscribe button. And I think that's it. I will see you guys all in my next video. I love you guys, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.